Let's solve the following right triangle where we're given one angle and one side. And again, we're technically given two angles, so let's go ahead and find angle B first. In order to do that, we're going to take 90 degrees minus our given angle of 68.8 degrees. So angle B in this particular problem is 21.2 degrees. Now we have to focus our attention on the sides. Let's first look at side A. Now let's think about what trig function involves a 68.8 degrees, side A, and the hypotenuse. Well, for our purposes, we're going to use the sine. The sine of 68.8 degrees is equal to the opposite, A, all over the hypotenuse, 39.4. Now, if we think of this as a proportion and cross multiply, we can say that A is equal to 39.4 times the sine of 68.8 degrees. Now, in order to find side A, rounded to the nearest tenth of a unit, plug that into our calculator, and we'll get a value of 36.7. All right. Now all we have to do is find side B, and I'll do that up above here. We have to think what trig function involves 68.8 degrees, this side B, and the hypotenuse. Well, that is the cosine. So we'll write the cosine of 68.8 degrees. That's equal to the adjacent side B all over the hypotenuse, which is 39.4. Now, if we cross multiply here, we'll have B by itself. So to come up with B, you take 39.4 times the cosine of 68.8, and if you round correctly, we'll end up with a value of 14.2 units. And again, that's rounded to the nearest tenth of 1 unit.